Our next story takes us here to Mansfield, Ohio. Lots of green living space around me, as you can see, but this is also home to one of the 6 best manufacturing plants in the country, according to Industry Week magazine. And they did it not just by innovative products that save energy, they did it by actually pumping up productivity and sustainable manufacturing, as you're about to see. A constant flow of parts, products, and people is very important at the Warren Rupp factory in Mansfield, Ohio. It makes the air-operated double diaphragm pumps for a global industry that pumps everything from chemicals and paint to pulp, paper, and municipal waste. But this operation wasn't always so fluid. Before the big change here, a worker could wear out his shoes trying to move things around the factory in a timely manner.
Material handlers were walking around the shelves, the aisles and everything. Basically, it looked like somebody dropped a pile of spaghetti on a plate, how they were walking around the shop floor trying to gather product to store the lines.
We would probably track our material handlers' movement in miles, the difference between today and what it used to be before. Quite a big difference. We would have worn out some tennis shoes, no doubt about that.
But it's a far different story now, after what's called a Material Flow Optimization, or MFO project took place, in which 95% of the Warren Rupp plant was redesigned. Today, a new automated conveyor system moves material in one continuous flow through the factory. No running around needed, as each part moves quickly from assembly to painting and on to packing and shipping. And there are no longer any bottlenecks, as finished products flow through a new painting and drying system by means of a powered monorail.
So now it goes in individually, it's painted, it goes into a dryer, it comes out of that dryer, which is really a dehumidifier actually. It comes out dry, it can go right into the box and go right to shipping. So again, that pump never stops until it hits that box and hits the shipping dock.
It's the reason why Warren Rupp was selected as one of the 6 best manufacturing plants in the nation by Industry Week magazine, and the only AODD pump manufacturer to ever win this award.
This Best Plants Award from Industry Week was quite an honor. It's not what we go about doing, trying to win awards, but it is nice to be recognized for those efforts. The team was able to accomplish quite a bit from a efficiency and a productivity perspective. 10% increase in productivity, again with people, instead of chasing around to get parts, being able to stay in a work center and actually build pumps and not go chase parts. Also, our lead time to our customer was reduced by 32%. Now, our max capacity was about 300 pumps we could paint per day. After the material flow optimization, after some investment in some new painting technology, we have a capacity to do up to 900 pumps a day. So it tremendously enhanced the capacity, the output that this team is capable of putting out every day.
That elimination of waste and pumping up productivity at Warren Rupp to be able to win this award is especially important to its parent company, IDEX Corporation.
The hard work to get nominated and to win an award like the Industry Week Best Plants, that comes with a decade of work. The Warren Rupp was founded in 1965 by Warren Rupp himself and the family here, and it's been part of the IDEX business for a very, very long time. So that epitomizes what we do well at IDEX, and it was great to be honored to it and really demonstrate how fantastically excellent one of our businesses can be.
As a global fluidics leader in creating enabling technology for industry, many of IDEX Corporation's products touch our lives every day, and sustainability is key.
That's clearly very important to what we do, and if you think about what we do for our customers each and every day, we're helping them be more productive, we're helping them save money, we're helping them save the environment in many ways by helping them be successful in their enterprises. So whether you're talking about fueling an aircraft or helping a chemical plant be productive, or even with the jaws of life as you in fire and rescue, each of those aspects is helping the world be more productive, which is fundamentally reducing the burden on the earth and helping the businesses be more successful.
That IDEX dedication to environmental sustainability is evident at the Warren Rupp plant in many ways, from the elimination of chemical-based foam packing material and its replacement with cardboard inserts in each pump shipping carton. And that's sustainable savings to our environment.